Still cramming clothes into your suitcase like it's a game of Tetris? Let's fix that. Here are 10 viral packing hacks that'll save you space, time, and even money. Number 7 might just blow your mind. I'm Greg, and today we're revolutionizing the way you pack for a trip. I've tested every hack out there and I'm putting them to the test with this pile of clothes and a tiny suitcase. Let's get into it. First up, rolling versus folding. The classic hack: rolling your clothes instead of folding. I packed one side folded, the other rolled. And the difference is wild. The rolled side is compact, organized, and fits way more. You see every item, nothing's hidden, and it actually prevents wrinkles. If you're not rolling, you're wasting space. Game changer. Hack 2 packing cubes. I was skeptical, but wow, sort your clothes by type, zip them up and drop them in. They fit together perfectly like Tetris blocks and keep everything organized. Just pull out the cube you need, no more suitcase chaos. Packing cubes, officially Greg approved. Hack 3, the bundle technique. Wrap your outfits around a core of socks and underwear, layer by layer. You get a single compact bundle that keeps clothes wrinkle-free. It's next-level packing sorcery. Hack 4 is genius. Use shower caps to cover your shoes' dirty soles. No more dirty shoes touching your clean clothes. They're cheap, light, and keep everything fresh. Ditch the plastic bags. This is the ultimate shoe barrier. Hack 5. Never let your shoes travel empty. Stuff them with socks, underwear, or chargers. Maximize space and keep shoes in shape. It's peak packing efficiency. Fill every inch. Hack 6. Skip overpriced travel toiletries. Use contact lens cases for creams or seal shampoo in straws for single-use packs. Leak-proof, space-saving, and cheap. No more wasting money on tiny bottles. DIY your travel kit and beat the system. Hack 7. Protect fragile items with a thick sock. Slide your cologne or glass bottle inside, double up for extra safety. Pack it in the middle of your suitcase, surrounded by clothes. Your valuables arrive safe and your clothes stay clean. Hack 8. Pre-pack outfits in Ziploc bags. Fold a full outfit into each bag, press out the air, and label them. Grab and go dressing. No more digging for matching clothes. It's a lifesaver, especially for busy trips. Hack 9. Never forget essentials again. Make a digital packing checklist. Use your phone's notes or an app like Notion. Duplicate and update your list for every trip. Add new must-haves as you go. Your digital brain keeps you organized. Hack 10. Always pack an emergency kit in your carry-on. Include a change of clothes, meds, toothbrush, and chargers. If your checked bag gets lost, you're still set. Your carry-on is your travel insurance. You're now a packing pro. Which hack will you try first? Comment below. We rolled, cubed, bundled, and stuffed our way to a perfectly packed suitcase. No more suitcase struggles or forgotten essentials. Share your favorite hack in the comments and subscribe for more travel tips. Share this with your overpacking friend. They'll thank you. Until next time, travel safe and see you in the next video.